Hey my friends, welcome to the channel. Glad to see you tuning in for the project that's been ongoing for years because I just never seems to have enough time for it. Of course it's my short bed. Well, used to be long bed, but now it's short bed. But shit keeps piling up. Never get time to it. So I mocked the bed up right now. What we're gonna do now is use this magnificent $15 Harbor Freight grill. Not grill, sorry, drill. And actually the 3M paint scraper or whatever that was called, that cost actually more than the drill, which is awesome. Protective equipment. Even though this eye is really worn out compared to this eye, but you know, we do with what we can. Keep my camera on. Hopefully the view is decent. Alright, let's get the chair. And by chair I mean toolbox. Alright, so the paint comes out pretty easily, but this stuff, whatever the hell this is, probably gonna have to use the multi sandpaper wheel for the grinder to get this shit off. And then over here it looks like whatever the hell this is. I might cut this off and weld a little piece there. We'll go from there, because you know this bed is opportunistic. Lots of work needs to be done for this bed. Oh yeah, pretty much everything that's rough I'm gonna use the grinder on, and paint surfaces just 3M flat roll. Alright, so got it cleaned up a bit. Now we're gonna use our $3 special rust up before primer, before anything. And granted, I live in the desert, so it doesn't really rust much here, but it just looked nasty, so I wanna make sure that it's good. So just gonna use some denatured alcohol. Just get all the dust and dirt off. Alright, so now sanded this part down again, put some body filler in there because once I sprayed it black you can see all the cut marks and imperfection and shit like that. So put in some body filler, wait for it to dry out, make it smooth. The reason why I'm not doing this whole thing is, remember, the fender is actually going to be right over here, all the way to down here. So the only parts we need to worry about is this part over here. And as you can see, I'm going to do this part too, just waiting for this to dry out a little bit more. And then I'm gonna fix a couple dents here and there. So we're gonna sand it down again and do it. And you'd ask me, why did I spray it? Well, because I got a job. I might not be able to get to it for a week or two, so this way it doesn't at least rust out. Almost forgot. Please support your local animal shelters. Right, Bear Bear? Right, laddie?